Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today I'll be learning how to create a dynamic calendar. So, as you can see here, you can change the dates automatically. The dates also getting changed. You can change the year also here. So, it gets changed, and if you change the month, it is getting changed. So, we'll try to create this dynamic calendar in this sheet 2. Okay, I'm just selecting the December, November as the calendar here. So, let's take a screenshot of it. So that will give us the pattern what we are trying to match. I'm just going to paste it somewhere here. Okay, so let's start doing it here first. So let's need to have the month and the date here. So for that we can create a months here. January, let me put it correctly. January, February. So we can drag this down to December. So all the months you can add the month here. Okay, so we can create it somewhere here. So what we can do is from year to year. So seven in a in a week we have 7 days. So I'm going to select the all seven, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 columns, and customize to 4. Once you select to 4, so now here I'm going to merge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns to month, and rest 2 for the date. So let me select, go to, once you select, go into this cell, then go to data validation. Under data validation, just select list. Under list, so select the range, this apply. So now we can see month here. Okay, so this will be your date. So let me change the format. Let's go to format here. I just want the short date numbers. Okay, so here what you can do, you can go ahead and color it as you, whichever color you need. I'm just coloring it to this to orange. Okay, so here we need to add the months. So I'm going to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this column we can go ahead and, okay, this we can cut, paste it somewhere here. Let's see, it's working. Yes. Okay, so this we can set a center, change the color pattern to whichever you want. So once you've done this, I'm just going to darken this. Okay, here we'll use a helper cell, dated value, open bracket. So we start with the double quote, 1 double quote, and January, and the month. So why we giving it 1 year is, you see here, it gives the first day of the month of the any age, whichever the month you have selected. So if you select February, it gives the February 1st. For that reason only we are given the 1 and the month and the year. Okay, once you're done, so we need to find, see, as you selected a number, so let me select number here so that we know whether we are doing it correctly. So number first falls on Friday, so we need to check what day it falls here. So for that you can do a text formula, select D, so date, which day it falls. So let me put it as this, sorry, day, enter. So Friday, you know that first is falling on Friday. So rest, Friday means here. The rest of the days would be your for the previous month. That is nothing but the uh, uh, s- October month's dates. So I think let's see, 28, 29, 30, 31st, and first will be a thing. To go back to that, what we can do, we need to use a weekday function. So we'll go to use all this. I'm trying to uh, let you know. So selecting this day, comma. So here you have a pattern. I don't know whether you're able to see this pattern. So pattern is, so we are using from Monday to Sunday. So we need to set which is the Monday to Sunday. So here you can see number 2 you will be your Monday to Sunday. I'm going to select this and close it here. So if you just make it little bigger, or you can change the format to number. So you know that 5. So why is 5? 5 here is, so this day number first falls on fifth day of the of that week. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we are able to find the which day it falls. So after adding this, this is your current day, current month of first day of the month. This is the which this day falls on which day of the week. That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is Friday. So I'm going to this minus this. So if you change it to journal format here, and little bit why it is taking that. Okay, then okay, I need to change it to date format. Sorry, we change it to date format, short date. So now you can see 27th, but as per our thing is 28 is our date sort starts on Monday. So so that it is taking one day more. We need to add less. So we need to add +1, so that if we add a +1 here, so now it becomes 28. 28 falls on Monday. So because it starts, we have from Monday to Sunday. So we are able to get this using the do function, that is dated value for to get the first day of the month, and the weekday for the which day it falls, that is year. And if you add +1, that will give you the first day of the that month. I mean in first on Monday what day it falls to 28th. So that we are getting it. So for that we need to now use a sequence function to get it. So now you can use a sequence. Sorry, type it as SQUNCE, open bracket. Say it's rows. Say in a month we have four weeks or 5 weeks maximum. So we'll take it as 5 weeks. So that reason I'm giving it a five rows. Rows means it will be like horizontal wise. Columns. Obviously you notice 7 days in a week. So I'll go 7 here, comma. The start date is nothing from when you need to start. So that's the reason we need to select this date minus the week date what we did, right? Again we'll do a weekday here, weekday, open bracket, again select this date, comma, as we know this pattern. So we are from Monday to Sunday, that is 2. I'm going to select 2 here, close. Since again we added +1 because it shows only 27, so we need to add +1. I'm going to add +1, comma, and the step is nothing but the what will be the change for every next number would be your 1, means you should add one more to next row. So I'm going to add a comma 1, close the bracket. Now hit enter. So now we can see it shows the date format, but we need the number format here, right? So as we know here, we did it here, right? To text A1, if you remove one D here, we get the numbers. So same thing what we can do is use a text format, text function here, text, open bracket, comma, double quote, just give 2D for the date number. Hit enter. Now you can see it has taken the, we can select the set this column range. Now you can see I'm going to keep it both in let me, I can drag this one down. Hope you're able to see this. So November 28 would be your last, October 28, 29, 30, 31st, and first would be your on the first of the month. I mean, the first of the month would be on Friday. So that's the reason it shows first year. So rest these two colors, you can set it some other color. The Saturday, Sundays, you want to show it in some other color. Just you can set this as blue, light blue. Rest you can set it as a green or any other color whichever you want. So I'm going to select this as a green, and I'm going to select all. Go to format cells, borders. So the borders, what I'll do is I'll select a white border, and if you want to select some column here, let me have it white border with this color. So now you can see it shows little bit uh, uh, more clear. So now you can see if you can change it to, okay, it is taking time. Let's close this one. Select April. Now you see automatically changes to April. We go to say November, December. It is not showing December here. So let's change this the validation again. It is taking December. Maybe here the pattern. Yeah, now it takes December here. Now you can see it automatically changes the date. So what I did is I used a helper line here. So if you don't want this year, you can add it here only. So you have selected A1. So this formula just copy directly, leaving the equals, copy, go here. Wherever you see A1, just paste that formula here. A1, date 1. Again the year is also A1. So you can use this. So now you can delete this one. This, this. So now automatically now it will take. So because the formula would be little bit elaborated, so that only I used a helper cell to uh, able to explain you guys. Now you can see everything is taken correctly. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function in the commentary so that I can create the video in future. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.